Welcome to a remarkable journey into the fascinating world of penguins, where these resilient and endearing birds thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. In this documentary, we will uncover the astonishing and often little-known aspects of penguin life, revealing a world of surprises and wonders that will forever change the way you see these incredible creatures. Penguins are not just residents of icy realms. They are world-class travelers. Join us as we embark on the Great Penguin Odyssey, uncovering their incredible migration journeys across vast oceans. Witness the heartwarming journey of penguin parenting, where devoted moms and dads brave extreme conditions to protect and nurture their fluffy chicks, showcasing the remarkable bonds within penguin families. Penguins may appear clumsy on land, but they are masterful underwater acrobats. Dive into the world of penguin hunting, where they display remarkable agility and teamwork to catch their prey. Penguins have distinct personalities. Discover the individuality and unique behaviors that make each penguin a one-of-a-kind character within the colony. Penguins are built to withstand extreme cold thanks to a suite of remarkable adaptations. Explore the science behind their insulation, blood circulation, and unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in frigid environments. Penguins have their own language, a symphony of calls and behaviors that help them navigate the complexities of colony life. Join us as we decode the intricate communication of these social birds. Penguins come in various shapes, sizes, and personalities. We'll explore the diverse world of penguin species, from the towering emperor penguins to the spirited little blue penguins. Penguins face numerous conservation challenges, from climate change to habitat loss. Discover the efforts being made to protect these charismatic birds and their fragile ecosystems. penguins have waddled their way into our hearts through art and entertainment. Join us on a journey through their cultural significance and portrayals in literature, film, and more. Penguins are famous for their comical waddle, but did you know there's more to their walk than meets the eye? Join us as we explore the unique adaptations that allow penguins to move gracefully on land and become masters of the sea. Penguins are devoted parents with heartwarming family dynamics. We'll follow the heartwarming journey of penguin parents as they raise their fluffy chicks and reveal the challenges they face in this harsh environment. Survival in Antarctica is no easy feat. Explore the extraordinary hunting techniques and strategies that penguins employ to catch their prey in the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean. Penguins have a diverse language of calls and vocalizations that they use to communicate. Join us as we decode the secrets of their communication and understand the messages behind their calls. Penguins are incredible divers, reaching astonishing depths in search of food. We'll plunge into the world beneath the icy surface and witness their breathtaking underwater feats. Life in Antarctica is a relentless battle against the elements. Discover the remarkable adaptations that help penguins withstand extreme cold, fierce winds, and long periods of darkness. Penguins come in various shapes and sizes, each adapted to its unique environment. We'll introduce you to a variety of penguin species, from the iconic emperor penguins to the agile Adlai penguins. Penguins face threats in their natural habitat, from climate change to overfishing. Learn about the conservation efforts in place to protect these charming birds and the ecosystems they depend on. As our journey through the world of penguins nears its end, we contemplate their future in a changing world. Will these resilient birds continue to thrive, or will their secrets be lost to time? Our exploration into the captivating world of penguins has revealed a tapestry of wonder and fascination. These birds are not just survivors. They are ambassadors of resilience, adaptability, and the boundless beauty of our natural world. Join us again as we continue to uncover the hidden wonders of the animal kingdom. Until then, let the spirit of the penguin inspire us to protect these incredible beings and the icy kingdoms they call home.